Hey guys, if you couldn't tell from the title or from the hair on my head, I got some Knotless box braids. Guys, I am so ecstatic with the way my hair was done today. Okay, let me just say that insert Instagram here, Tatiana Duncan, at Tatiana Duncan Instagram. Oh my gosh, the braids on my head, guys, the braids on my head. Can we just take a look at these braids? Like, y'all know how thick my hair is. Like, can you believe my hair is in these braids? Like, can we just get into this? Alright, so basically for this video, I'm just going to be giving you the deets on these braids. Okay, guys? So, if you're in the Rochester, New York area, Western New York area, Buffalo, Syracuse, you know, in that area, you could go check out my girl here and at Instagram to book. Okay? Because, like, y'all, you gotta book. You gotta book. But yeah, so I'm basically, first I'm gonna go over what I did to prep my hair for this hairstyle. So yesterday what I did, because I had to show up with my hair washed, obviously, and I had to show up with my hair blow dried. So I wanted my hair to be like strong. So what I did was, and clean. So what I did was I washed my hair with Sulfur 8 medicated dandruff shampoo. For the girls out there that got that dandruff, or men, boys, girls, men, whoever who got dandruff, or you just got a dirty scalp. I had a really dirty scalp because I had those mini twists in for 2 weeks and my head was itchy and my head was dirty. So I used my Sulfur 8 medicated shampoo. I used another shampoo too that I can't remember what it's called, but I'm gonna put a picture right here, my bad. But I used both of those because I really needed to just clean my hair. Also, I was about to do a protein treatment, so that meant that I really need my hair to be clean so that I could take in the protein. So I did my protein treatment. The protein I used was the Green Beauty's A Real Protein Treatment. If you want to see a video on my review on that, you can look up in the cards and watch that video, okay? I mixed my protein treatment with Naturall's Deep Avocado Conditioner. I used Dull Hair Conditioner, mixed it up, put it in my hair. I sat under the handheld dryer attachment, bonnet attachment, for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Then I rinsed it out. Then I blow dried my hair out with the Revlon 2-step blow dryer brush thing. If you want to see the video on that, you can watch it up in the cards here. Okay. So I blow dried my hair out straight. Here's a picture of that because my hair was looking so cute afterwards. I also gave myself a trim, so you guys will kind of be seeing like the new length of my hair. I mean, I didn't trim it so much, but I really had so many single strand knots, guys. Like, I had so many single strand knots. Like, it was ridiculous. So I really needed to give myself a trim. I was afraid to give myself a trim because, you know, it's hard to like get those blunt ends and like braids, but these guys did a great job. Anyways, so yeah, I blow dried my hair out. My appointment was at 9, so I got my hair done. 2 women worked on my hair. It took about 9.5-ish hours. So I was originally told it was going to take 10 to 11 hours. So I was pleasantly surprised when it only took 9.5 hours. So one lady worked on the top part, the other lady worked on the ends. And let me just tell you guys, like, they did so good. Like, I want to cry. Oh, these are really long, by the way. I don't know if you can tell in the thumbnail. I'll put another picture up. And I'll try to show you as much as I can. But they're like below my butt. I actually didn't want super long braids this time, but I was like, you know what? Let's get some length. But yeah. So where was I? So yeah, it took about 9.5 hours. When I got home, I put some Jamaican black castor oil on my edges because I've been having some problems with my edges. And my face is acting up. I'm on my TOM, if you know what that is. So I'm breaking out a lot and I'm still trying to figure out what the heck is wrong with my skin. But anyways, my edges are really light and I'm having some like hair loss over here. So another thing that I appreciate that the braiders did is that they like, I don't know if they did it on purpose, but like there's bigger sections in the front, I feel. So that just makes it so that like there's not like a heavy braid on like such a tiny piece of hair, because I got my hair done by Africans like a few months earlier. Actually last year. Wow, it's already been a year. That's crazy. But last year I got my hair done in an African salon. And you know, they did regular box braids, and they did like, you know, the U parts that they be doing, just like random parts. And they had the tiniest sections with the thickest braids. Like it was, as soon as I got home, I had to take my whole, like my edges out and like redo them myself because I did not want my edges to fall out. So that's something that I really appreciate that I don't have to worry about this time around. Like they're just so perfect. But I will be oiling my edges every day with Jamaican black castor oil to try to combat my issue, especially over here, guys. I really don't know why this is happening, but it is. So I just got some oil. Hopefully that'll help. But yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to show you my hair and I'm going to tell you some pros and some cons. I don't really have any cons about this hairstyle, but I'm going to tell you what I think about the hairstyle. This is so cute, guys. I'm literally obsessed. Also, this hair, if you couldn't tell, you probably still can't tell. You can only tell in real life. But this hair is purple. Like, it's dark purple. I used Expressions dark purple. I'll put a link to this in the description. I got it off of Amazon. 6 packs. Yeah, you really can't see it. It's such a pretty deep like violet, and I love this color because I wanted something that wasn't super like dramatic, but was like different, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm not trying to be a basic you know what, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to do something different, so I got this dark purple that you can only really notice it if you're like really looking up close, like, oh, she's mysterious, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so guys, you really can't see it. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Okay. But anyways, the pros about this hairstyle, it is so lightweight, guys, like in comparison to regular box braids that you just, you know, normal box braids with the knot. It's lightweight. As you can see, I can move it around without any tension. Like what? I also really like that there's no bulky knots. It looks super natural at the root. Like, guys, look at this parting, first of all. Like, beautiful work. Beautiful. As you can see, like, it just looks super natural. It's not bulky. For people with a big head like me, it could be a little like flat. If that's something you don't like, then you might not want to get this hairstyle. Like, it took me a second to like really get used to it. I'm like, oh, I look like an egghead. But like, then I got used to it. I'm like, nah, I look cute, so. And I'm not all cute as hairstyle. So. Okay, I need to stop making ugly faces, but. Yeah, guys, I love this hairstyle. So go ahead and check out Tatiana Duncan. Go ahead and look for this hair color because it's so pretty. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel because you watched it this far. You're at like, what, around 10 minutes. Well, I haven't edited it yet, so it might be longer. And you still haven't clicked the subscription button. And I don't understand why, because why are you here? No, I'm joking. I'm joking. But if you enjoyed the video for real, it would be awesome if you hit that subscription button and you hit that notification button so that you never miss another video. Next week, I will be putting out a video about the upkeep of these braids, as well as maybe some hairstyles or something. Put a comment in the bottom what you would like to see, some hairstyles or like the upkeep, how long they will last me, and all that good stuff. All right, guys, so I hope you have a great day, a great night, a great evening, or whatever part of the day it is, and I will see you in the next video.